Let's go green and make changes in our kitchen to rid ourselves from harsh chemicals. Sometimes knowing the types of harsh chemicals in your kitchen can be quite scary whenever you have a family. Plus, those chemicals are not beneficial to our environment. Going green, it can take time, but today let's start transitioning from using harsh chemicals to using things that are safe for the environment and our families. The first thing we can do is look for cleaners and soaps that are non-toxic, chemical-free, and environmentally friendly. A lot of these soaps and chemicals that we use are not something we would like to put down the drain. Most eco-friendly soaps and detergents will say so right on the label. Now, when washing dishes, the dishwasher is always the most economically friendly option. It uses a lot less water than hand washing your dishes in the sink. When choosing a hand soap, buy ones that are phosphate-free. You will also want to avoid soaps with fragrances and synthetic dyes. The synthetic fragrances and dyes, they contain harsh chemicals that we really don't want to put into our environment or put on our hands. Baking soda. It can be used to scrub almost anything in place of a harsh cleaner. With a little elbow grease and some baking soda, you will be surprised at the things that you can get clean in your kitchen. Whenever possible, try to buy reusable items. This keeps trash out of the landfill and helps us save the planet and go green. Try using a washcloth instead of a paper towel, or maybe even a dish towel on the end of your Swiffer sweeper instead of the throwaway ones. Just be creative and come up with ways that you can eliminate or reduce the amount of trash that you produce in your kitchen. I hope I provided you with a few different ways that you can go green in your kitchen. Now remember, this isn't going to happen overnight, so just take one step at a time. If you have some ways that you go green in your kitchen or some things that you do to reduce the trash and the waste, please share your ideas in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.